Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send high quality WhatsApp photos. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you are in WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now head over to any chats where you want to send photos. Open the chats. Now send any photo over here. You can send any photos, but the photo is not that of good quality. In order to fix that and send high quality photos, what you need to do is go back, and here you can see three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now choose settings from here. You can see the storage and data option. Tap on it. Now in this page you will find media upload quality option. Tap on it. Currently standard quality is selected. In order to send high quality photos and videos, you need to switch to SD quality option. So tap on it and tap on save. Now if you send pictures, let's go and send this picture again. The first picture is this, it's quite a bit blurry. The second picture over here is slightly more good quality. You will find the difference in good quality images. So that's it. That's how you can send high quality photos on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.